Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing a little information about this eraser that I saw at the art store this morning, and I thought it looked pretty interesting and very cute. It's called as this is the brand DOMS, and it's called the M-Tech eraser. So I don't know what it means by M-Tech eraser, but I really like how it looks, and it comes in a really nice tiny box of its own. So it's in multiple colors. There was, I think, red, blue, yellow, and green, and I liked the green, so I picked it up. So I thought, let's try it out. So it opens this way, and the erasers are so cute. So I picked this up for INR 10, and it's a really nice, heavy piece of eraser, and I love these markings and the texture which is there on top of it. There are no sharp edges, so that's nice. And I'm going to just test it out on book and see how well it erases. It's always a good idea to have an eraser inside a box, because sometimes, like, let's say if you're traveling and you're just sketching on the go, and if you have like your eraser inside a box like this, it's very useful because it doesn't mix with your other items and it doesn't get dirty. So this is something that I require a lot, because a dirty eraser would mean a dirty artwork, so I don't want that. So I've made some dark lines over here and some light. So I'm trying out the light first, and that's very good. So the dust is just sticking to it right now. Let's see if it... So it is, I don't think it is completely dust free. That's not what it is, but it's a very nice eraser. I like it. I think it would serve its purpose. I'm going to just try out on some color pencils also and see if the color pencils can be erased. If it's too dark, you can see that it doesn't erase it fully. When it's light, it does help to erase it. Normally erasers are not really made for color pencils, but it does help to lighten it a little bit, so that way this is pretty good. So if you're looking to get some cute erasers, then I think this is one of them. Again, the main fact is that it comes in this really nice box. So I like this eraser, and for the price that it comes in, I think it's very cute and it does its job. So this is a nice piece of art supply that you can carry along with you.